Hello, I'm the Dynamic Nipper from Morecambe and we are in Morecambe. You can see Morecambe out there, beautiful today. A couple of times I've seen on some forums about neoprene costumes and I just wanted to review this one. I did a lot of searching and a lot of research and this is the one that I picked eventually. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about this. If you like my videos, please can you click on the button below and subscribe. Okay, brilliant. So as you can see, I've not worn it yet. I was just going to review about how easy it is to put on. And so I've tried it on twice. The first time, I don't think I put it on right, in the right way. And I found it quite difficult to put on. And then just putting it on now, actually, if you put it on as you put your wetsuit on, so you know you gradually pull bits up as you go, it's really quite easy to put on. The inside of it is quite smooth, like it would be on your wetsuit, and so there is no sticking or you know it getting sort of ruffled up and stuck. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel too tight, and if I zipped it up to the top, it would feel quite tight, although it feels okay. And so I love the detail on this. It's really well made and it feels really comfortable. Okay, I'll just, can you see down here? It's really well made, feels really comfortable. A little bit of tummy control. So also it has this little Hallie Hansen detail on here, as you can see. And so you can see how it fits. It fits. I got a large, okay, and it's size 4. I'm size 14, and it fits. It fits as it should do. I'm pretty sure that when I get in the water, there's enough room for that water to get trapped and warm up, which is how it works. And so I will come back to you about how warm it has kept me. Because I wanted something in between a wetsuit and just my skins. I don't mind doing skins, but in February, end of January, February particularly, it's really quite cold, and so I just wanted to be able to stay in a bit longer without the faff of a wetsuit. This will tell me all the information and that I'll read, and I'll come back to you with the information that's relevant. Okay. Right, now we're going to try and get it off. And I think getting it off is harder than getting it on. So I'm just going to take my watch off so that doesn't get in the way. Okay, so ordinarily your zip on your wetsuit is going to be coming down to here at the back. And so then you peel off your shoulders. And this only comes to here. This zip only comes to here. So I think it's a bit more of a struggle. So how much room are you going to have under a dry robe to get this off like this? Not a lot. Occupy yourselves. got the towel and I think I'll put the back to front logo. When I did my research on the neoprene suits, I did lots of research and read the reviews, and all the reviews on all of them said that they were difficult sometimes to get off. So I just thought I'd mention that. That's not just the Helly Hansen one, it's just the design of the zip at the front. So, did it work? Yes, it did work, yes. I stayed in for quite a long time with the Helly Hansen suit on, and Windermere today is 10.2 degrees. So, will I be wearing it throughout the winter? Yes, possibly with some boots as well. It really was very comfortable to wear, and I felt much warmer. Quickly the water was trapped in between the costume and the skin, and it warmed up and it worked a treat. Because I've not worn wetsuits for about 4 or 5 years, I underestimate how much of a bulk it is to carry it about. So just one of the points was that obviously the neoprene suit is now got lots of water in it, and I could wring it out. I haven't done though. I've just put it in a plastic bag and put it in my bag. But it weighs, you know, it's something more in your bag that now wet is weighing a little bit more walking back to the car, but that's no big deal. In terms of the care instructions are hand wash it inside and out, hang it up to dry, and occasionally wash it with wetsuit shampoo. I don't have wetsuit shampoo. I have never used it, but I'll have a look on the internet and see what there is in terms of wetsuit shampoo. So it's pretty easy to look after. The only thing that concerns me is that the white stripe may discolour when I swim in the sea, when I dip in the sea during the winter. Because Morecambe Bay particularly is really quite muddy. We've got quite a lot of mud flats, and so sometimes the inside of your costume is really quite dirty when you take it off, and so maybe those white lines on the suit might discolour, and so but maybe the wetsuit shampoo will take care of that. Okay, so if I think of anything else, I'll come back to you. In the meantime, have great dipping, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.